Well, it has been a very interesting morning. Went out to walk the dog today. Bent down to grab the toy for the dog, and saw this little guy. How you doing, little buddy? Where did you come from? Found him over here on the power line, and now I'm trying to find out where he belongs and what it is. Looks like some kind of chicken. Rooster. What are you, little buddy? Are you lost? Poor little guy. He already pooped on my shirt. Yep, big old poop stain. But maybe it's just my lucky day. I don't know. Anyway, leave a comment if you know what kind of bird this is. I'm sure somebody out